Hi, grade ones. I just wanted to go through the math for this week. So we've still been working on addition to 20, and I know last week you worked on using lots of different types of strategies that would help you with addition to 20, just like we did when we were doing addition to 10. So they might have looked a little bit different because we're adding a little bit higher, but I know that you guys had some really good strategies that you were already using. So let's go through this week's learning. So the first page here, we have some math strategy tools for you to use if you'd like to. There's a number line there, and then there's some 10 frames. If you want, you could print this page off or ask your mom and dad to print the page off, and you can use that page inside a sheet protector, and you can use a whiteboard marker, and that can help you, okay? So that you're not printing off a bunch, but you just print off one, and then you can erase on the page protector and reuse it. All right, so this week we're looking at making groups before we start adding them. So if you notice, this one's a little bit different because we have 3 numbers when we're doing addition at the top. Now we haven't done too much work with using 3 numbers to add, but you can see that there's some lines and boxes underneath the numbers. Now the lines are attached to a number, and those are the numbers that I want you to add together first so that we can make it just into 2 numbers and then add the 2 numbers at the bottom. So you can see there's a line starting at number 4 and a line at 6, and they go together to the same box. So this is where we're making 10, because when we make 10 and then we add numbers to it, it's a lot easier to add when we already have 10 made. So 4 and 6, that equals 10. And I have 1, so I'm just going to drop that number back down there. Now you can see I've already made now a addition sentence that only has two numbers in them. So I'm going to add those 2 numbers up instead of adding up all 3. So 1 plus 10 is 11. Good job. So that's all I'd like you to do for this page, okay? I'm going to delete these quick. Perfect. All right. Now you're going to notice on the next few pages here, there's just lots and lots of questions. And this is because it's really important when we're doing addition to 20 that we have lots and lots of practice. So you'll notice that there are different numbers on each page. So on this page, we're working with addition of 11 plus numbers, and 12 plus numbers, 13, 14. So there's lots and lots. I know it looks like there's lots of math questions, but it's very, very important that when we're doing addition to 20 that we practice lots and lots. That's why there's so many questions there for you, okay? Now these questions here, it says up at the top that it's wanting you to use any type of strategy that you want. So we've gone over lots last week, and I want you to find out which one you think works best for you. And I want you to start using that strategy, okay? So it doesn't matter which one you use as long as it works good for you. All right, the last 2 pages. This page we've done before, so I know that you guys can recognize it, and we talked a lot about what the word true and false means, okay? So let's look at the first question here together. 13 equals 15. So remember when we talked about the word equal, is 13 the same as 15? No, so I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to put it over the word false because that means not true, okay? All right. So you're going to have to do some addition down here for some of these numbers. And on the last page, you'll see it gives you all the answers. It has the sum for all of these questions. So you have to figure out what number is missing in order to get to that sum. Okay? Awesome. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I would love to do some math with you if you're having a hard time. So if you need my help, please let me know, and I'd love to do some math with you too. Sound good? Awesome. Okay, well, good luck and have lots and lots of fun learning.